Hey y'all, just in case you were wondering how to make great screenshots that are helpful as you're doing this virtual learning, figured I would show you. Best way to find this is I'm going down to the search bar and I'm just going to type in Snip and go up to the Snip and Stretch tool. When I click on that, this window is going to appear. From there, what this allows you to do, if you click New, I can actually take a quick screenshot of just a small part of my screen. And if you hit Control C, that allows you to copy that and then paste it into any document you wanted. So if I wanted to just paste that in here, boom, it's already in there. This can be really helpful for showing students directions. So I wanted to make sure to show that to staff. I actually use it so frequently that I pin it to this toolbar down here. And how you do that is you go on the icon for Snip and Stretch, right click, pin to taskbar. And now even when I close it, it will remain there so I can quickly find it again and then go to New and make another snip. There's some nice features in here too where you can wait 3 to 10 seconds as well, which you can find helpful. If you have any questions about that, let me know, but I thought that would be a good tool to share as we venture into virtual learning. Thanks.